Round 1, Magic Ring. Start by chaining 2. Work 14 double crochets into the magic ring. Slip stitch to join. Chain 2. Round 2, make 14 double crochet increases. That's 2 double crochets in each stitch around. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 3, work 7 single crochets. Repeat, single crochet. Chain 2. Single crochet. 14 times. Work 7 more single crochets. Slip stitch to join. Round 1, Magic Ring. Start by chaining 2. Work 14 double crochets into that magic circle. Slip stitch to join. Then chain 2. Round 2, make 2 double crochets in each stitch around. That's 14 increases for those counting at home. Slip stitch to join. Chain 2. Round 3, work 7 half double crochets. Now, repeat half double crochet. Chain 2. Half double crochet. (14 times). Finish with 7 more half double crochets. Slip stitch to join. Round 1, magic ring. Start by chaining 2. Work 15 double crochets into that magic circle. Slip stitch. Now, we're going to create 5 petals. Chain 6. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in the next chain. Two double crochets in the next 2 chains. Skip 2 stitches on the base. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this sequence 5 times. After creating all 5 petals, slip stitch to join. Leaves, chain 11. Add wire along the chain. This'll give our leaf that perfect, natural curve. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Work 6 double crochets. Half double crochet in the next stitch. 3 single crochets in the next stitch. This creates our leaf tip. Now we're mirroring down the other side, half double crochet. Six double crochets again. Half double crochet. Then single crochet. Finish with a slip stitch. Glue small petals to bent stem wire, arranging evenly. Add large petals, overlapping. Insert stem through flower base, glue. Attach base leaves. Wrap stem with thread. Finish wrapping, glue. Trim excess.